Just off Interstate 70, tucked into the desert silence of Green River, Utah, lie the skeletal remains of a Cold War Titan. Most drive past these crumbling foundations at 80 miles per hour, never realizing they're looking at a site that once could have ended war permanently. This is the Green River Launch Complex. From 1964 to 1975, this wasn't the wasteland you see today. It was a high-tech laboratory. Over 200 missiles, including the Athena and Pershing rockets, were launched from this very site. These were scale models of ICBM missiles. They would fly 400 miles across state lines, testing the re-entry systems that would eventually define America's nuclear arsenal. On July 11, 1970, Athena missile number 122 was launched from Green River, Utah. Like the previous firings, which the Air Force began in 1964, this Athena was programmed to impact on White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. Instead, the project and range personnel watched helplessly as it rocketed further south into Mexico. The base was officially decommissioned in the 80s, and most of the buildings have been removed recently. The history remains etched into the dirt, leaving only concrete foundations behind.
War isn't hell. War is war and hell is hell. And of the two, war is a lot worse. There are no innocent bystanders in hell. But war is chock full of them. Little kids, cripples, old ladies.